ఇందాక ఎవరో క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నారు కదా.
సార్ డెమాన్స్ట్రేట్ చేస్తాను క్రాస్ కంపెనీ పోస్టింగ్స్ అని చెప్తున్నాను సార్.
ఓకే, క్రాస్ కంపెనీ కోడ్ చేస్తారా? ఏపీపీ క్రియేటింగ్
సార్ ఏపీపీలో కాదు సార్, నార్మల్ జనరల్ సినారియోలో.
ఓకే ఓకే, ఎలా చెప్తారు చెప్పండి. క్రాస్ కంపెనీ కోడ్ ఇంటర్ కంపెనీ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్కి ఏం చేస్తారు ఫస్ట్?
సార్ జిఎల్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకొని ఓబీవైఏలో అసైన్ చేసి తర్వాత ఒక కంపెనీ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ఇంకో కంపెనీ పే చేస్తే ఎలా ఉంటుంది సినారియో?
ఓకే, సో డాక్యుమెంట్ టైప్లో ఏమన్నా చేంజ్ చేస్తారా మీరు? అప్పుడు డాక్యుమెంట్ టైప్ ఉంటుంది కదా
సార్. లేదు సార్,
డాక్యుమెంట్ టైప్
ఏం లేదు.
డాక్యుమెంట్ టైప్లో ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా ఇంటర్ కంపెనీ పోస్టింగ్ అని ఉంటుంది?
చూసాం సార్, కానీ అది బై డిఫాల్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసి ఉంటుంది సార్.
ఓకే, ఓబీవైఏలో కంపెనీ కోడ్ అసైన్ చేసి క్లియర్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు కదా?
ఎస్ సార్.
డాక్యుమెంట్ క్లియరింగ్
సార్ చేయొచ్చు సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. ప్లీజ్ స్టార్ట్.
ఓకే సార్.
సో డాక్యుమెంట్ డిస్ప్లే ఎక్కడ చూస్తారండి క్రాస్ కంపెనీ కోడ్కి? ఏ టీ కోడ్ యూస్ చేస్తారు చెప్పండి
సార్. FBU3.
కరెక్ట్. ఓకే, సో మంచి టాపిక్ పిక్ చేసుకున్నారు, చెప్పండి.
ఎస్ సార్. ఓకే. ఎస్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. మై నేమ్ ఈస్ యోగేష్. I have overall 4+ years of experience in SAP FICO. All the experience is relevant to FICO consultant. So far, I have handled one implementation project and one support project. Currently, I am working in Mindtree and I am working for Hindus Unilever Limited. And my roles and responsibilities includes configuration for enterprise structure, GL accounts payable, accounts receivable, bank accounting, as well as configuration for CO, and also includes unit testing. I will demonstrate cross-company postings. First, I will. Can anyone please confirm, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Generally, if there is any postings between two companies, the normal scenario, the entries will be in the books of paying company. For example, take paying company as 7310. If 7310 pays expenses of 7320, in the books of 7310, the entry will be CC receivables account, or we can change the GL account as per our requirements. Generally, CC receivables account debit to bank account. Similarly, in the case of receiving companies, if the relevant expenditure is debited and the company who is paying will be credited. For example, take this company as 7320. 7310 is paying salaries of 7320. So salaries is the expenditure. By default, we will debit it, and we have to pay to the receiving company, that is 7310. That's why we will credit CC payables account. But if we do all the configuration in the back end, just we will post this entry, salaries account debit to bank account. But we have to specify the company code, that is 7320 salaries, and we are paying 7320 salaries on behalf of 7310. So we will give 7310 company code. To do all this, we have to do some configuration. There are few conditions that must be satisfied to allow to do configuration. Those conditions are both the companies must be part of the same group company, both the companies should have same chart of accounts, and both the companies should have same fiscal year variant. These are the conditions that must be ensured before doing a configuration for cross company postings. Now I will show this in SAP. First, we have to create GLs. We are aware of the T code FS00. simple configurations is required. First, we have to create GLs in both the companies. This is the company code 7310. I have created separate account group, zero balance account for these cross company postings. There I have created two GLs, one for debit and one for credit. CC receivable. We are creating GLs in the books of 7310. So we have to specify CC receivable 7320 and CC payable 7320. Because in a real time, there may be number of subsidiaries or number of holding companies that are part of the same group company. So it is advisable to save to the company code. I will show how I have created this GL account. I have taken separate account group zero balance account and the short text and long text. Either you can manage this on open item basis or you can also manage on normal basis, but I have managed it on open item basis. And the field status group, I have took G001. Similarly, I have created GLs in remaining GLs in 7310 and 7320 as well. I will show how I have created in 7320. Here, because we are creating in 7320, I have specified 7310 in addition to GL name. Same description, same account group, and similar configuration is very much similar. And then just we have to assign these GLs in OBYA, T code OBYA for automatic account assignment. Here we have the companies. Here this is the company code 1. Company code 1. This is posted in 7310 against 7320. We are clearing the salaries. For example, in this example, we are taking salaries as an expenditure. We are clearing salaries of 7320 with 7310. That's why here we have to specify the debit posting key and credit posting key and the relevant accounts. We have created salaries account 9 lakhs. I mean cross company receivables account 9 lakhs for debit and 9 lakhs one for credit. In FS00, you can also block these GLs for creation because all the companies are part of the same chart of accounts. So it is better to block GLs. Now only this is a configuration required apart from GL creation. Now I will show this scenario with posting one entry. I'm using FB50 T code for this. Ensure that first line item should be the company code which we are using here. We are using 7310. Generally, this is the entry we are trying to post. Salaries is debit and bank is credit. Bank is credited in 7310. We have taken here the company code 7310. First, ensure that you are giving bank first. 200,101 is my bank account. We have to credit this. I am taking 20,000. In the text as salaries of 7320 and the business area for 7310 is 7311. Here we are posting salaries for 7320. This is the salaries account. Debit. 7321 is my business area. I will simulate this. See, this is CC receivables 7320 and CC payable 7310 has picked up from backend configuration. This is I am trying to share. Here we are not finding save because there is some errors. I mean, we have not specified any text and business area here. Error message still exists. We have to give for another company code as well. Now we can find the option just saving this one. Here, when we are posting cross company code transactions, one cross company code document number will generate. We can display the document from here, or there is a separate T code to display the document, that is FBU3. Here, this is the most recent one. It is displaying most recent one. Please enter. This is the entry we have posted. We can see accompanying documents. If we want to see separate documents, we have to press accompanying document and select 7310. It will show the document that is posted in 7310. This is the document posted in 7310, CC receivables debit to HDFC main bank. Let us see what this document posted in 7320. 7320 salaries account debit and CC payables credit. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
గైస్ ఒక్క నిమిషం. సో నేను ఒకరిని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాను గ్రూప్ లో. జస్ట్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ 2 minutes. ఓపీ రాజా తమ్మ వరకు యాడ్ అయ్యారా? మీరు ఇంటరాక్షన్ గ్రూప్ లో యాడ్ చేశాను మిమ్మల్ని. జాయిన్ అయ్యారా? ఒక్క నిమిషం.